Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create Barbie and in the Nutcracker. So let's get started with the video. I'm just going to remove everything except for the hair and the crown. For the hair I just use this wavy one in EEBF 9C. These are the accessory adjustments I use. Y.53, Z.67 and scale it to 0.60. Rotate it a little bit to 0.59 for the X rotation. I use in this one in the color blonde for everything. And I guess I didn't do anything. I just needed this part of the hair, and then for the crown I just used this one from VIP. Adjusted it to Y.59, rotation X.58, and scaled it to 0.29. And I colored it. It is gold F6C979. For the outfit, I'm just going to get the necklace first. I just use this heart one in like this gold color. F6B76A. I might go a little bit darker. I don't... No, so it's more visible. Then for the fit, we are going to use this one in this color, in this pattern first, and then in this color in glitter, and we're just going to do that same thing in glitter. And lastly, you just color it white for the buttons, whatever it's called. Then we're going to use this too in that same pattern and in that same glitter color moment. For the skirt, we're going to use this one over here in no layer, in glitter as well, in that same color. And then here we're going to use this color FFB1B1. The other color I used was FF7676. Then for the shoes, we're going to use these. Where is it? Oh, here it is. And just the classic ballet color, and I use the same color as the skirt here, as this part of the skirt, I guess. Like so. Oh, one more thing, I did use these sleeves, just the sleeves though, and I colored it kind of the same. It's not very visible, but I want to add that on anyways in this color, FF8, F98, and these two colors. And that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.